today we are making eggplant bharta. When eggplant is a season, this is a must with bajra roti. So these are the eggplants I have from my backyard. And then what we are going to do is wash them, dry them, and then apply oil on all the sides. And now roast it. You can roast it in the oven, but open flame roasting gives a nice flavor to this. That smoky flavor, nothing can beat it up. So even the green chilies I am roasting on an open flame, and that will add the nice smoky flavor to this. Roast it on all the sides. Whenever you are eating eggplant, try to consume it for lunch, as it is a little bit gaseous for some people. So consume it before 4 p.m. And now this is roasted on all the sides. I'm going to roast both the eggplants. And some people put it in water to remove the skin. Don't do that, because that will not allow it to, in the recipe, that smoky flavor. So let it cool down a little bit, not much, because otherwise skin will stick. So when it's a little bit warm, you can remove the skin. I'm taking the seeds off, but it's your choice. The whole spiciness to this recipe come from green chilies. These green chilies are very spicy, so I adjust it according to your taste. You can add more or less. You can also use red chili powder. So you can chop it or just use your hands to mash it. Now we are going to peel off the skin from the eggplant. This skin comes off very easily. For both the skin comes off very easily. But because of your roasting method or whatever reason, if the skin doesn't come smoothly, then what you can do is you can scoop it out, the eggplant, so that way you're not removing the skin. Like scoop out everything, and this will give a nice smoky flavor. So whatever is on the skin, the eggplant, don't let it go. Everything we are going to collect it in a bowl. And now we are going to do the tadka. Don't mash it with a masher or with your hand. Just cut it like chopping, and when you are cooking also we are going to do that. But mashing will release that juice, which will give a bitterness. I've used mustard oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and the green chilies along with mustard and cumin seeds, some turmeric powder. You can add red chili powder here at this point. Now saute it on a low to medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes until it releases the oil. So we're going to saute it. My mouth is watering, with all the smell of the mustard and the roasted eggplant and green chilies. My God, it smells heavenly. I wish everyone could taste it. There was a technology where you could taste it. So now it's been sauteed. Now I'm going to add tomatoes. Tomatoes, I don't overcook it in this. Just a little bit cooked, and that, raw flavor. Add some salt. And I'm going to add some jaggery, or you can add sugar. This is optional. This is to remove that little bit bitterness of the eggplant. It will help. So now again I'm sauteing it, and add lot of cilantro. And we want to freshen up the cilantro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it only for 1 to 2 minutes after adding cilantro, and then serve it and enjoy.